Let's review the Solar States web portal. The portal allows you to track your installation's progress and, once installed, your system's performance. First, it's important to note that there are two different views within the portal. What you see during your installation looks very different from what you'll find after installation. Let's start with before. The screen you'll see from the time you sign a contract through to your system's completion. Once your agreement is finalized and signed, you'll receive an email to set up your account. Click the link to create a password. Once logged in, you can see each stage of the installation process and their accompanying steps. A step with a yellow check mark is completed. This icon shows the step that is currently in progress. Gray steps are not yet completed. Click forward to explore what's to come. Once your installation is complete, your homepage will show energy flow, environmental benefits, usage data. Choose a date here to see data from only that day. This graphic at the bottom is a snapshot of your system. The Documents section will have your contract, homeowner's manual, and other essential items. Use referrals to refer friends or leave us a review on the platform of your choice. In the Support tab, you can view frequently asked questions and open a support ticket. The FAQ tab is the same tab we just viewed in Support. Frequently asked questions. Last but not least, the Profile tab. You can view and edit your information, reset your password, and change your theme from light to dark.